Proceed directly to the news. The case brought by the Securities and Exchange Commission may be resolved this month, according to the CEO of Ripple. For this, you are not prepared at all. The fact that this is a bullish indication is one that we just cannot ignore. Since the next aim for XRP Ripple is $250 per coin, experts believe that the recent price dip will be historic. This is because the next target is $250. We live in a wild world where anything is possible, which may sound unbelievable to you, but it is possible. All of this should be broken down into its component parts. A cryptocurrency, that is. Frequently caught in the crossfire of regulatory fights continues to be a focus point for investors as well as aficionados throughout the world. As a result of the continuing legal drama between Ripple and the Securities and Exchange Commission, the price prediction for XRP is a topic that is now receiving a lot of attention. The price prediction has been fluctuating between the possibilities of a bullish run and the possibility of a crash. As of December 2020, Ripple has been involved in a legal dispute with the Securities and Exchange Commission seat, which asserts that the company's actions represent an unregistered securities offering. A long shadow has been put over the price of XRP as well as its future prospects as a result of this case. The decision that secondary transactions of XRP do not constitute securities was made by the court in July of 2023, which was a partial triumph for Ripple Company. This nuanced resolution leaves possibility for additional legal entanglements and confusion, despite the fact that direct sales to institutional investors might still be recognized to be such. The SEC, which is dissatisfied with the decision that was made in July, has made a suggestion that an appeal might be filed. A step of this nature has the potential to revive the volatility that surrounds XRP, which would result in the price fluctuating as the market reacts to each new event. As of right now, the price of XRP is hovering around 50 cents, which reflects the cautious optimism of investors. In spite of the impending risk of a huge penalty which could reach up to $2 billion that Ripple could be subjected to in the event that it is found guilty of directly breaking securities rules, market prices have remained stable. It is impossible to deny that the continuing legal fight has been a roller coaster ride for those who possess XRP. Tweets from key personalities in the cryptocurrency industry, such as 2Bit Crypto, convey the daily fears and hopes of the community within the cryptocurrency landscape. After yet another day of hope for an XRP settlement or an XRP pump, we are getting closer and closer to the moment when Brad Garlinghouse will deliver the joyous news. And he was successful in doing so. The CEO of Ripple, Brad Garlinghouse, continues to maintain an optimistic outlook. In spite of the difficulties that are now being faced by regulators, he has indicated his desire for a spot exchange-traded fund ETF that invests in XRP. Considering that Ethereum exchange-traded funds ETFs have recently been granted permission to list on stock exchanges, this mood is reflective of the expectation that exists within the larger cryptocurrency community. This approval might potentially pave the way for other cryptocurrencies, such as XRP, to follow suit. Ripple has not been sitting idly by as these legal battles have been going on because of them. Through the implementation of the XRP Ledger Japan and Korea Fund, Ripple has demonstrated strategic vision. The fund's primary objective is to encourage innovation on the XRP platform, with a specific emphasis on Japan and Korea. This action is a component of Ripple's larger pledge to contribute 1 billion XRP to assist the expansion of the community, as well as to support corporate collaborations, startup investments, and developer participation. A telling choice was made in selecting Asia-Pacific. It is often believed that this region is a hub for blockchain innovation, with countries such as Japan and Korea being at the forefront of this movement. The strategic turn that Ripple is making is further highlighted by its collaborations in Asia. Ripple's dedication to improving its payment solutions in Japan is made abundantly evident by the fact that it has established SBI Ripple Asia in cooperation with SBI Holdings and has collaborated with HashKeyX, a company based in Tokyo, to develop supply chain financing solutions that are driven by the extended blockchain technology XRP. It has been brought to Garlinghouse's attention that there is a striking disparity between the difficult regulatory climate in the United States and the more positive reaction in the Asia-Pacific region. This disparity may be the reasoning behind Ripple's increased concentration on this particular region of the world, and of course crypto professionals would not be able to ignore an occurrence of this nature. We are all aware that as soon as the trial started, practically all of the partners decided to withdraw from Ripple. However, as we can see, Ripple is gaining traction throughout Asia, which is a very encouraging indication for the bulls. How do industry professionals feel about the current pricing of the XRP Ripple token? In the not too distant future, should we anticipate growth? How about we work it out? It will blow your mind to hear that. This has caused social media to be ablaze with enthusiasm. Tweeted by Ito Farina, who are the holders of XRP right now. It's going to be more. These sentiments are shared by a large number of people who view this as a potential purchasing opportunity. The XRP fake dump that Brett Hill made immediately before the huge increase was a reiteration of this idea. It is being suggested that the recent declines are merely the beginning of big increases. While everything was going on, Jack. The Rippler made a confident statement that XRP will pump the hardest, which added to the generally positive narrative. When it comes to XRP Captain forecasts, there are numerous more bold projections. The most worst-case scenario is that the price of XRP will reach at least $27. Let's pretend for a moment that the litigation between Ripple and CC will never be resolved. Despite this, there is a possibility that XRP will reach $27, which would be followed by a bull run for Bitcoin. Among other things, the breaking of a multi-year triangular pattern and the Fibonacci sequence. This hopeful prognosis is contingent not only on a successful outcome through the legal system, but also on the dynamics of the market as a whole and technical analysis. Chad Stinggraber, a crypto expert, has made a rather audacious prediction, adding his voice to the chorus of positive voices. By connecting his predictions with a bigger bullish market cycle for cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, he asserts that XRP might reach $250 by the year 2025. Stinggraber credits his optimism to a number of important issues, the most important of which being the possibility of an exchange-traded fund being approved for XRP. He contends that the utility and liquidity of XRP would be considerably improved by such an exchange-traded fund ETF, which would also attract major institutional investment. The pending lawsuit brought by the SEC is another factor that Stinggraber cites as a temporary suppressor of the price of XRP. It is his contention that a resolution has the potential to bring about a substantial flood of new capital into the ecosystem around XRP. Viewpoint is held by a number of other specialists. XRP is expected to skyrocket over $100 after the legal action, according to Jack the Rippler, while Crypto Bull forecasts a huge increase of 28% to 90% to 90%, with the possibility of XRP hitting $154. Analyst eGrad Crypto provides a perspective that is moderately positive while yet being cautious for those who have a more conservative approach. He forecasts that the price of XRP will first reach $7.50. Any spectacular growth may be expected. XRP is projected to break through the current resistance levels, achieve a gradual rise to $1.50, then ascend to $7.50, to his most recent research, which reveals a potential path for the cryptocurrency. On the other hand, eGreg warns that a big amount of profit taking at this level can cause a temporary pullback. Throughout a nutshell, the future of XRP appears to be bright, as evidenced by bullish forecasts from a number of seasoned analysts and strategic expansions throughout Asia, such as the possible approval of an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP. There are a number of circumstances that could cause the price of XRP to reach new heights, such as the conclusion of the case filed by the SEC or Ripple's proactive moves in major markets. Investors and enthusiasts should maintain vigilance as the scenario continues to grow, as the cryptocurrency industry is likely to undergo substantial developments in the years to come. In addition, it would be possible to complete the task at this point. However, not everything is as straightforward as it seems. Not wanting to miss out on this holiday, whales started taking action. Once again, their activities have sparked excitement among all of the holders on the ripple effect of XRP. In the near future, there will be a remarkable bullish signal. How about we work it out? Therefore, the alternative cryptocurrency, which is currently trading at around 50 cents, has become a focal point for major investors known as whales, who have moved approximately 87 million XRP in the past 24 hours. Speculation on the future price trajectory of XRP has